Selena, Class 10, Chapter 17, Circle. Number 10. In the figure, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral with angle BAD 75 degree, ABD 58 degree, ADC 77 degree. Find first BDC. In triangle ABD by angle sum property, angle ADB is equal to 180 minus 58 minus 75, which is equal to 47 degree. Therefore, angle BDC is equal to 77 minus 47 equal to 30 degree. Second part, find angle BCD. Since it is a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angle, the sum of the opposite angle is 180 degree. Therefore, angle BAD plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Therefore, angle BCD is equal to 180 minus 75 equal to 105 degree. Third part, find angle BCA. BCA, this angle and this angle subtends in the same arc. Therefore, they are equal. Angle BCA is equal to angle ABD equal to 47 degree. Angles subtended by the same chord on the circle are equal. Sum number 11. In the following figure, O is the center of the circle and triangle ABC is equilateral. Find angle ADB. Since ACB and ADB are in same segment, angle C is, because it is an equilateral triangle, ACB is 60 degree. Therefore, angle ABD is also 60 degree. Joint OA and OB. For second sum, find angle AEB. Since C is 60 degree, angle AOB will be 120 degree and reflex angle will be 240 degree. Therefore, angle AEB is half reflex of AOB, which is equal to half 360 minus 120 is equal to 240 upon 2 equal to 120 degree. Angle at the center is double the angle of the circumference subtended by the same chord. Sum number 12. Given angle CAB 75 degree, CBA 50 degree, find the value of DAB and ABD plus ABD. In triangle ABC, angle CBA is 50 degree, angle CAB is 75 degree. Therefore, angle ACB is 180 minus angle CBA plus angle CAB, which is equal to 180 minus into 50 plus 7, which is equal to 180 minus 125, 55 degree. Angle ACB is 55 degree and angle ADB also makes the angle with the same chord. Therefore, this is also 55 degree. Angle ABD is equal to angle ACB, 55 degree. Angles subtended by the same chord on the same circle are equal. Now, consider triangle ABD. This is 55 degree. So, angle DAB plus angle ABD plus 55 equal to 180. Implies angle DAB plus angle ABD is equal to 180 minus 55 degree equal to 125 degrees. Sum number 13. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in the circle with center O. If angle ADC is 130 degree, Find angle BAC. Here, since AB is the diameter, therefore angle ACB is 90 degree. Okay. Angle in the semicircle is right angle. Also, angle ABC, this because it is a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. Therefore, angle ABC is 180 minus 130 equal to 50 degree. Pairs of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. By angle sum property, angle BAC is equal to 90 minus angle ABC equal to 90 minus 50 equal to 40 degree. Number 14, in the figure given alongside, angle AOB is the diameter of the circle and angle AOC is 110 degree. Find angle BDC. Joint AD. Okay. Angle ADC, this is 110, half of it is 55 degree. Why? Angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference subtended by the same chord. Angle ADB 50 degree because AB is the diameter. 90 degree because angle in semicircle is right angle. Therefore, angle BDC is 90 minus 55 degree equal to 35 degree. Sum number 15. In the following figure, O is the center of the circle and angle AOB is 60 degree. Angle BDC is 100 degree. Find angle OBC. Here angle ACB is 30 degree, half of 60 degree. Half of angle AOB, that is 30 degree. Angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference subtended by the same chord. By angle sum property of triangle BDDC, this is 100, this is 30. Therefore, angle DBC is 180 minus 100 minus 30 equal to 50 degree. Therefore, angle OBC is 50 degree. ABCD, sum number 16. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral with angle DAC 27 degree, DBA 50 degree and ADB 33 degree. Calculate angle DBC. Since angle DBC subtends the same angle as DAC, it is 27 degree. Angle subtended by the same chord on the circle are equal. Second part, find angle DCB. Angle ACB is also equal to ADB 33 degrees. Angle ACD is also equal to angle ABD 50 degree. Angles subtended by the same chord of the circles are equal. Therefore, angle DCB is equal to angle ACD plus angle ACB, which is equal to 50 degree plus 33 degree equal to 83 degrees. Second part, find angle CAB. Angle DAB plus angle DCB is 180 degree. Opposite pair of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. implies 27 degree plus angle CAB plus 83 degree equal to 180. Therefore, angle CAB is equal to 180 minus 110 equal to 70 degree. Sum number 17. In the given figure, alongside AB and CD are the straight line through center O of the circle. If angle AOC is 180 degree and angle CDE is 40 degree, find the numbers of degrees in first part angle DCE, second part angle ABC. First part, angle CED is 90 degree, angle in a semicircle is right angle. Therefore, angle CE is 90 minus 40 degree, which is 50 degree. Therefore, angle DCE is equal to angle OCB 50 degree. Second part, in triangle BOC, and exterior angle AOC is equal to angle OCB plus angle OBC. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the pairs of interior opposite angles. Therefore, implies angle OBC is equal to 80 minus 50, 30 degree. Angle AOC is 80 degree given. Hence, angle ABC is equal to 30 degree. Sum number 18. In the figure, AC is the diameter of the circle whose center O. A circle is described on AO, a smaller circle, as a diameter. AE is the chord of the larger circle, intersects the smaller circle at B. Prove that AB is equal to BE. Joint OB. Then angle OBA is equal to 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. That means OB is perpendicular to AE. We know a perpendicular drawn from the center of the chord bisects the chord. Therefore, AB is equal to BE. Sum number 19. In the following figure, angle BAD is 96 degree. Find angle BCD and angle BFE. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, angle BAD plus angle BCD equal to 180 degree. Pair of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Therefore, angle BCD is equal to 180 minus 96 degree is equal to 84 degree. Angle BCE is equal to 180 minus 84, 96 degree. Similarly, BCEF is also a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, angle BCE plus angle BFE is equal to 180 degree. Pairs of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Implies angle BFC is equal to 180 minus 96 degree equal to 84 degrees. Second part, prove that AD is parallel to FE. Now, BAD plus BFE is equal to 96 plus 84 equal to 180 degree. But these two are interior angles on the same side of a pair of line AD and FE. Therefore, AD is parallel to FE.